Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn on interpolation by using Mexico data PM 2.5 in a QGIS program. In the QGIS window, I'm going to import the data from Mexico, the shapefile of Mexico. Okay, so here shapefile number 1, number 0, number 1, and number 2. Open, add, close. Okay, then I'm going to untick shapefile number 2 so that I can remain with shapefile number 1, and number 0 I'm going to remove it also. So I'm going to right click, I'm going to symbology, I'm going to drag the opacity arrow to 0, then I click OK, apply OK, and then I'm going to add PM 2.5 data by clicking delimited text, and here I'm going to add the file. Here we do have it. We click open, here we click longitude, here latitude, same longitude and latitude, and here we click add, then we close. Then we are going to join the Mexico PM 2.5 and the shapefile number 1. So we right click, we go to properties, we go to join option in here, then we click plus sign, then here we're supposed to put Mexico, and in here supposed to be value, and here supposed to be name 1. So we click OK, then we apply it and OK, and then we are going to increase the demarcations line here so that even if we are going to interpolate, it can be easy to identify different cities or different regions in a Mexico country. So we right click, we go to properties, we go to symbology. Here we are going to choose this color and this option, and here we are going to click points instead of millimeters, and here I prefer to use black. Okay, then we click OK. Here we do have it. Then after that, we are going to processing toolbar and clicking interpolation. Here we click IDW option. In here for the vector layer, it's supposed to be Mexico PM 2.5, and in here it's supposed to be value. Okay, then we click plus sign. In here we click calculate from layer number 1, Mexico shapefile number 1, this one here. Then down here I prefer to use 200 as my option. Okay, once I put it for the columns, it just update itself. Then I'm going to save this file like INTL Mexico. Then I'm going to save it, then I'm going to run this process. Okay, complete now. So you can see all things are being covered with this shadow block in here, which is the way on how to interpolate. So I'm going to the option called the raster, and we are going to extraction option. Then we go to clip raster by mask layer. So here we are going to use this one in here, and here supposed to be Mexico shapefile number 1, since is the one that remain ticked in here. So for here it's supposed to be WGS84, and the same in here, WGS84, and in here it's supposed to be default. Here we put default, and then we save to files. Okay, so we call it mask layer. Yes, then we click save, then we go to run this option. Okay, done. So we are going to close the INTL so that we can be remaining with only mask layer, so that we can proceed with other processes. So here I'm going to remove this INTL like this way, then I remain with mask layer, Mexico PM 2.5 and Mexico shapefile number 1. So I drag this one down here so that we can see PM 2.5, same with this option, so that maybe we can be able to identify the Mexico shapefile. So let's change the color. Okay, blue. Let's try this one, maybe it will be better. Okay, so we apply, then we click OK, but the color looks a bit the same with the PM 2.5, so we change the PM 2.5 color to let's say blue. Okay, this way. Then maybe we need to put the labels for PM 2.5 and for the Mexico shapefile. So for PM 2.5 here, we go to properties, we go to labels, we go to single labels, and here we do need to put value. Okay, then for colors, I guess white is the best one, so that we click apply, then we click OK. So you can see all the dots now, they do have the values, like in the middle here you can see the congregations of different dots, but they all do have their own values. So the same, I'm going to add names for shapefile number 1. We go to properties, we go to labels, we go to single labels, then we go to name 1. Yes, since it is shapefile number 1. Then we need to select the color so that anyone can be able to see what is the meaning of specific region or city. So here we click OK. You can see different dots now, they do have their own values, but also we do have the names for different cities in a Mexico country. That's how to do interpolation. So if you think the margins are too wide or the scale of these demarcations is too big, you can just go to here, then go to properties, then go to symbology, then you can just come here to the millimeters option, you can put points. So then you can apply, then you can click OK. So here you can see the scale is being reduced and everything looks good. So now we are going to the option to see on how to save this this work. So we go to project, then we click new print layout. Then in here maybe we click we type Mexico interpolation, INTL, the short stem. Then here we expand this, then we click this option here, then we drag down this arrow to this side, we do have it, then we minimize it a little so that we can have a preferable scale, and we drag it out again this way. Maybe that's good, but if you think it's not, you can still drag it out or drag it in so that you can have a reasonable scale that you prefer. Okay, that way. Then we can be able to add the scale of this map, like this one. We take this one here, and then we just drag it. You can see the scale is down here. Then we can be able to put the key map for this work here. And since we only use Mexico shapefile number 1, so we can be able to update this list by our own. Here you need to remove this tick option in auto update, then you can remove shapefile number 2 here, then you can remove shapefile number 0, then you can remain with shapefile number 1, Mexico PM 2.5 data, and the mask layer, of which it is your interpolated map. So that's good for us. Then we can be able to add maybe we need to add north direction. Yes, this one in here. Okay, we have it. Good one. Then we can be able to change it to different colors. Maybe I prefer this color. Then we can be able to add the name. What does this map or interpolated map mean? Okay, so we go to text option in here, then we drag it to this way, then we go this side and type maybe interpolated map of Mexico. Then we take this option of HTML, we put it to the center, then we expand it a bit like this way, we drag it down, but for the fonts we can increase the appearance of these words. Then we can change the background so we can have some colors, maybe this way. Yeah, this option is good for me. Then we drag it a little here, then that's we do it. We do have enough direction, we do have a title, we do have a key map, and we do have the scale of the map. Then simple, we go to layout and we go to save. You can be able to save as an image, as an CSVG, or as PDF. And for me, I prefer to have a PDF so that I can share it to anyone or anywhere with any person. So this is a Mexico INTL then just simple, we save it this way, easy, saved in my laptop. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for listening and have a nice day. Bye bye.